NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life.
Imagine a colossal orbital factory above the moon, quietly weaving a structure that will lift horizons. This is the LunarMesh Sky Crane, born not on Earth, but in weightless orbiting chambers. On the gray lunar plain, a shimmering lattice of light slowly climbs, horizon itself seeming to rise.
It reaches a kilometer into the black sky, impossibly thin, then gently hoists a 100-ton habitat module.
This towering web is woven from lunar dust, its fibers crafted in microgravity and stitched in space.
Humanity faces a new challenge here, building cities and shipyards where gravity is a faint whisper.
Traditional steel cranes depend on their own crushing weight, designed to wrestle Earth's powerful pull downward.
On the moon's weak surface, that logic collapses. Such machines topple, sink, and...
LunarMesh inverts the problem, using emptiness and tension, a vast three-dimensional web instead of a boom.
Ultralight fibers, stronger than forged steel, interlace into a skyborne scaffold that flexes and reshapes around cargo.
Its story begins with dust, fine, electrocharged lunar regolith carved by autonomous diggers along crater rims. Robotic systems funnel soil into sealed pits, baking, crushing, and then sorting it with magnetic and electrostatic sieves.
Purified powders load into sleek, dart-shaped shells, which electromagnetic railguns hurl skyward without burning a drop.
In orbit, a ring of near-weightless weaving chambers awaits, catching incoming cargo with precise magnetic guidance.
Inside, photonic smelters ignite. Laser arrays flash melt silica into glowing molten ribbons suspended in darkness. Electromagnetic fields draw each ribbon through spinnerets, stretching it into hundreds of filaments infused with aligned graphene. In hard vacuum, these strands cool without turbulence, crystallizing into transparent fibers far stronger than steel.
Strength alone is not enough. Along each fiber, bead-like nanonodes snap into place as it forms.
Every node houses sensors and phase change muscles, creating a distributed nervous system that feels stress instantly. At each chamber's core, robotic arms operate a volumetric laser loom, weaving fibers into intricate spatial lattices.
They stitch triangles and tetrahedra into hierarchical trusses, densifying heavy lift zones while leaving others gossamer thin.
The result is a single continuous segment, hundreds of meters long, a spiderweb now ready for testing.
Control signals ripple. The mesh shivers under lunar gravity as sensors map weakness and reinforcement robots respond. Certified segments relax and fold like fabric, robotic manipulators compressing them into compact bundles for descent.
Guided by thrusters and fields, shimmering bundles drift toward the lunar base, skimming the silent exosphere.
On the surface, root-like anchors drive deep into regolith, spreading fractal branches that grip without crushing.
Above, a bundled mesh unfurls and blooms, arcing into a vast canopy, while braided cables descend to ground.
When a heavy lander must move, actuators adjust tension, reshaping the lattice before any lifting begins.
Grapples rise, clasping the hull, and the lander glides upward, its weight diffused across kilometers.
With this tool, lunar construction transforms. Kilometer-wide telescopes assemble in shadowed craters, mirrors gently lowered into darkness. Rabitat blocks stack into sealed lava tube cities, solar fields unrolled, and entire plants lower and rise. Over time, LunarMesh stretches higher, evolving into orbital tethers that catch inbound cargo and bleed momentum. The moon becomes workshop, port, and launch pad, its sky threaded with luminous pathways binding worlds together.
From dust beneath our boots to webs above, we learn to weave entire worlds from nothing. The LunarMesh Sky Crane is more than machinery. It is architecture grown from lunar soil and orbit.
On airless planes, this weightless, luminous skeleton stands alive with tension, a new kind of celestial infrastructure.
One day, when space is laced with cranes and tethers, we'll remember this first woven horizon.
If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.